my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very highly requested video. Honestly, this video has taken me a very long time because the research period and the trial period was very long. You know already what I'm talking about from the title, right? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best and the worst eye creams. So if you've been following me around, you would know that since the past 1 year, I have been trying out different eye creams. Now, the ones that I loved, I actually bought 2 to 3 units of and asked my friends and family to try it out for me. Because I try so many different products, I like to involve a group of people who can help me try out these products alongside me so that I know results on myself and also on different skin types and conditions. So I had two friends who have slightly different skin concerns than me. So I have dark circles and that's been my major skin concern. But in the winter season, my eyes, my under eye area was really dry. A post-pregnancy effect, you can say. For them, they have had darkness around their eyes, but also a lot of fine lines and wrinkles. We also tested these products for heavy dryness like dehydration underneath the eyes. So I have one eye cream for every skin concern. There are 11 products that I'm going to be talking about in this video, and I have categorized them in 3 categories. So there are the best eye creams, the average ones, and the ones that were very disappointing. If you're new here, for your reference, my skin type is combination. Yes, it's the worst of the lot, and we have to keep changing our skincare as the weather changes. I don't have a lot of skin concerns. However, in the recent past, I faced massive post-pregnancy acne. I am going to do a video as to how did I calm that down. Currently, I would say my skin is doing pretty okay. My hormones are settling back down. Having said that, I do talk about all different skin types and conditions. So if you fall in the same category or you want to know more about skincare, do consider subscribing. And now let's dive right into it. Okay, first let's talk about the eye creams that truly impressed me. The first product that I have here is from Reequil. This is their under eye cream. Now first let's see what the brand claims about this product. It says it's an under eye cream for dark circles, fine lines, crow's feet, puffiness, and eye bags. First, let's dive in and see what are the ingredients we have here. We have glycerine for nourishing the under eye. We have quinoa seed extract, which is a rich source of vitamin A, C, E, and B3 for darkness around the eyes. It brightens your under eye area, works on fine lines and wrinkles. This has sodium hyaluronate, which will reduce dryness, flakiness by improving skin's hydration. In my opinion, A, this is a very affordable product, and B, very lightweight underneath the eyes. This has a natural source of vitamin A, B, C, and E, which is quinoa seed. It is going to cater to your eye concerns, but it's going to take its own sweet time. Firstly, I do want to put it out there at the beginning of the video, there are no quick fixes to dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. You also have to work on your diet, your water intake, keep yourself well hydrated, and of course your lifestyle. This definitely is a product that I can highly recommend to you. Be patient with this and all the other products that I'm going to talk about in this video. I felt that this is something I was reaching out to quite a lot, especially in the daytime. It works very well underneath the makeup and especially in hydrating your under eye area. This does a great job. My second under eye cream is something that completely bowled me over. Honestly, I did not expect these kind of results from this cream. What I'm talking about is the Murad Vita C Under Eye Corrector. I had read about this product and how it was formulated, and honestly, I had my doubts, but I thought, why not go in and try this? Firstly, the formula itself is catering to correcting under eye dark circles and working on depuffing your under eye areas and fine lines and wrinkles. It's a very well formulated product. I would say the ingredients and the formulation itself is perfectly done. I also did see results starting 3rd to 4th week onwards, and that's when I was like, bang on, I have found a great cream. This is definitely very expensive. If you do have the budget, then this is something you can look for. I am going to talk about other eye creams also for dark circles, so hang in there. Now let's dive in and see what the formula actually says. Now this is formulated with vitamin C ascorbic acid for under eye darkness and brightening, red and brown algae extract to soothe the under eye area and depuff it. This has glycerine, which is a humectant, niacinamide, skin brightening, sodium hyaluronate, moisturizing, cucumber extract, soothing. We have great moisturizers, emollients, and humectants here. Now, out of all the products that I tried, I felt this gave me the best results for under eye dark circles. I felt that this really rejuvenated my under eye area as well. This has all the right ingredients, and that's why I wanted to test out that do these ingredients come together? Does the formulation itself does what it says? Definitely something that gets a thumbs up from me, a big one at that, and something that I highly recommend. Now, both the products that I shared with you were fragrance free. I wanted to target eye creams that were fragrance free because specifically around the eyes, I would avoid using a fragrant product. Having said that, I've tried fragrance eye creams and it has not given me any sensitivity so far. However, I do know a few people who get sensitivity with fragrance around their eyes. Usually, also, if they would use fragrance in their skincare, they may or may not have any reaction. But around the eyes, the area is so sensitive and the skin is so thin that it is very likely that you can get sensitivity. So I have tried to pick up products that are fragrance free. Not all of the products that I'm going to show you today are fragrance free, but most of these are. My third product is also fragrance free, and this is something that is amazing for someone who has dehydrated under eye area or if you have aged skin underneath your eyes. What I'm talking about is the Klairs Fundamental Eye Butter. This is so soothing underneath the eyes. It's going to nourish your dehydrated under eye so well. I finished this tube off completely, like I just have one use worth of product left just to show you in this video. Great formula, just the great ingredients put together and beautifully formulated. I use this the entire winters especially, so I would top up 2 eye creams many a times just to keep my under eye area hydrated. Let's dive in and see the ingredients, the hero ingredients, what I call, that you have in here. We have glycerine here for moisturization, sunflower seed oil, which is an emollient rich in vitamin A and E, caffeine, which is an antioxidant, green tea, which is a great antioxidant and also soothing, bunch of great humectants and emollients. My next product is an affordable eye cream. This is from Mom's Co. It is their natural Vita rich under eye cream. This claims to target under eye dark circles, wrinkles, fine lines, and also work on puffiness. What I like the most about this product is this metal tip. My product has completely finished out of this tube. I have nothing left in here, but I still use this tip. I would put in the refrigerator and then take it out after about 30-40 minutes and then massage my under eye area. It very instantly lifts and makes your eyes feel absolutely awake. And the metal tip is actually something that works very well on puffiness. So when I wake up in the morning, I like to use something like this. If I don't want to use a jade roller or a gua sha underneath my eyes, I would just pick this out, massage it around my eyes for about 30 seconds and you're good to go. Definitely a product which is very hydrating underneath the eyes. It works on puffiness. I did not do anything for my dark circles or fine lines, to be honest. I had 2 of my friends use it as well. They totally loved the product, for it instantly hydrates your under eye area. It works beautifully underneath the makeup. It's very lightweight, and the metal tip in here, I think for the price you pay here, this is definitely a very good product. The formula overall is great as well. So I think I would buy another tube and try a second tube as well if I do see any results, but definitely something which is worth your money. Let's dive in and see the formulation. You have aloe leaf gel here, which is soothing and moisturizing, shea butter, which is an emollient, glycerine, green tea oil, coffee seed oil, niacinamide for brightening, sweet almond oil, which is an emollient, jojoba oil, avocado oil, chia seed oil, vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. One thing I would say about this product is that although this is a fragrance-free formula, as in it does not have any added fragrance, technically that's not completely true because this has mandarin and orange oil, which are essential oils. And even though when you smell the product, there's no fragrance as such, but those can be slightly sensitizing to some skin conditions. It did not give me any sensitivity, neither did it to the 2 people who tried it with me. Having said that, if you have sensitivity around your eyes, this is probably something you can skip and avoid something which has essential oils in it. My next product is something that completely took me by surprise. What I have here is from Indulgeo Essentials Eyes on Duty. Now, this is a product that came to me in PR about a month ago, and I have only been using this for about 3 weeks, but I fell in love with this. The first time around, I put it around my eyes. This is so cooling and it is so soothing around the eyes. And if you're looking for something that's extremely lightweight, very non-oily, non-greasy formula, you can go in for this one. This just has all the right ingredients. This does have a short shelf life because in this kind of a product, there are not very heavy preservatives. Actually, I would say other than vitamin E, there's no other preservatives. So make sure you finish it in the due amount of time. If you do use it morning and evening, you're likely to finish it in about 2 to 3 months, in my opinion, and that is the shelf life. I think this has a shelf life of about 3 months. So do check when you buy this, and when you open this, make sure that you don't use it beyond the expiration date. Overall, I would say what a beautiful formula. Let's quickly see the ingredients that we have here. This has aloe vera, which is soothing, licorice, which is going to brighten the under eye area, bearberry extract that helps reduce darkness, green coffee, green tea, turmeric extract, kakadu plum, rose hydrosol, turmeric, rice bran, and vitamin E. My next product is for those who don't want to invest in a separate eye cream but someone who wants a multitasking product. This is for those who have dehydrated dry under eye, or if you have fine lines and wrinkles, and if you want a nice serum instead of an eye cream. What I have here is a multi-molecular hyaluronic acid serum. This is Kombucha Hair from Pure Bubbles. You have seen me talk about this. Now when I was trying eye creams, I thought it's very commonsensical to use a hyaluronic acid underneath my eyes, because if I'm having dehydration or dry under eyes, that can really help me. So I tried a couple of different ones, but this is the one that worked the best for me. So I would take this as a serum and pat it underneath my eyes and then apply my eye cream on top. It really nourished my under eye area really well. This has a blend of 5 different hyaluronic acid serums. So if you want one product for your face and for your eyes, this is the one you can go for. Also, this is fragrance free. Okay, let's see the last product that I have in the best list, and this is something I've been using for the longest time. It has worked really well for me. Expensive, but definitely gives results. What I have here is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. You know I love the Estee Lauder ANR and I love this one as well. Definitely on the higher end of things, but works very well for me. If you have dehydrated under eyes, if you have fine lines and wrinkles, or if you have free radical damage underneath your eyes, this is the one to go for. Let's quickly see the formulation first. This has Vita ferment lysate, which is a probiotic also used in Estee Lauder ANR. This has propendiol, humectant, petrolatum, which is an emollient, algae extract, humectant, sodium hyaluronate, which is going to hydrate the skin, caffeine antioxidant, chamomile flower extract, soothing, tocopherol antioxidant, and glycerine, which is hydrating for the skin. Now, like you see in the tub, it has a very gel-like consistency. You scoop out a little bit and pat underneath your eyes. And then if you wear in the daytime, you can wear your sunscreen on top. Like I said, this works really well for someone who has UV damage. If you have very dehydrated, dry under eye area, if you have puffiness, if you have flaky under eye area, this is the one to go for. This has a beautiful probiotic, Bifida ferment lysate, which is going to prevent any kind of UV or free radical damage. Now let's talk about 2 products that I felt were very average. The first one is the Clinique Moisture Surge Eye 96 Hour Hydro Filler Concentrate. Now, even though I feel that the brand had their heart in the right place, they formulated the product really well. The ingredients used and the formulation itself was pretty much right there, but the product itself doesn't do anything for you. It literally feels aloe vera gel underneath your eyes, and this is close to about 3,000 for this tube, and I don't think that I would want to invest that kind of money for a product that doesn't do much other than just very lightly hydrating my under eye. This is something which is very lightweight. If you are someone who likes to use luxury products and if you don't mind spending this much for something which is gel-like, you probably can go in with this. For me, if you ask me, I think this is definitely not worth the money. This is not something that I'm going to be repurchasing. I do like the very beautiful packaging, the way it pumps out, the cartridge that comes up, which is all very nice, but the product itself, I would say, is very average. It's not a bad product. It's formulated, like I said, really well, but it doesn't do anything for your eyes. Like it claims for dark circles, it does something for your fine lines and wrinkles, for your puffiness. To be honest with you, I did not see any of those results, and therefore I think it falls in the very average category. The next product that I found was very average is from Mom's Co, and this is the other eye cream which comes in a tub like this. This is their natural age control under eye cream with the power of bakuchi oil. Now this is a product that I would say which is like a cream based product. It definitely hydrates your under eye area, but that's it. It didn't do anything for the fine lines and wrinkles, and it's not just me trying. My mom has a tub and she's completely used up one entire tub. Overall, I would say the formula also, like the cream also, is not that hydrating. This definitely falls in the much affordable category, so if you want to give it a go, you can. For me, I would say I expected the formula to be a little bit better. The other thing that I feel, an ingredient that can be a little bit icky, is witch hazel. Now, putting witch hazel around your eyes, anyway, witch hazel is a product that can be irritating for some skin conditions and types. Not for everyone. It did not do anything for me. Having said that, it is likely that it can give you irritation. I would have liked if the brand left witch hazel out of an eye cream in specific. Wrapping up the video with last two under eye creams that disappointed me the most. What I have here is Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circle Eye Cream. This comes with cucumber and peptides. Now, to be honest with you, this is a formula which is, I would say, okay. Having said that, this is cream in a tube. It really doesn't do anything for your eyes. We finished this off completely. I have very little left. My mom-in-law used half the tube and the first half I used. I did not see any results. I don't think this does anything for your skin, and it's just like cream in a tube, like I said. To be honest with you, I really don't understand products from Mamaearth. I never have. Nothing has really worked for me. In fact, in case there is a product that has worked for you and you want me to try it out, please leave me a comment in the comment section and I would love to try that product out. Overall, I would say this is, in my opinion, a complete waste of money and something that I felt was very, very disappointing. Now, this also has added fragrance. Even though allergen free, I feel eye creams in specific should not have fragrance because this is the most sensitive part around your eyes. Having said that, this product, particularly because of fragrance or any other, did not give me any sensitivity as such. Then I have a product from Bella Vita Organics, and this is the Eye Lift Under Eye Gel Cream. We did manage to finish this off between me, my husband and mom-in-law. But this is a product, in fact, the only eye cream that gave me legit burning around my under eye area. I used it 2-3 times and same thing happened. I just washed it off very quickly. My husband and my mom-in-law actually did not face that much burning. In fact, no burning at all. They had a little bit of tingling sensation around their eyes. And in that trial process, we almost finished this tub. But I would say, I don't know what is it. I couldn't put my finger on the ingredient list as to what is in the formulation. But I would say just stay away from this product because even though tingling sensation, you don't want any of that around your eyes. It's a very, very average product. Even the consistency of the product did not impress me. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried any of these eye creams and had a different experience, or if you want me to try any of your favorite eye creams and then review it for you. I'd be more than happy to do it. Until I see you next, guys, take good care of yourselves. Lots of love. Bye-bye.